Hi everyone, it's Shelby Orr, Director of School and Family Programs at the Sid Richardson Museum. I thought while we were all at home that I would bring you Sid's Story Time. That's usually a gallery program where children between the ages of little bitty, mostly 3 to 5 though, are invited to the gallery with their grown-ups to enjoy a story. That usually has a theme, and I'm going to read you a story today called Sky Color by Peter H. Reynolds. And the reason I chose this book is because I am missing our Charlie Russell paintings. Charlie Russell loved to paint beautiful sunsets and sunrises, and I thought this would give us all something to think about when we're looking up in the sky or when we're painting or drawing. So, Sky Color by Peter H. Reynolds. And I also like to do a book walk. So on the cover here, I see a young lady who has a canvas in front of her on an easel, and it looks like she's painting outside. She has her bare feet, and she has her painter's palette here and her paintbrush, and she's reaching her paintbrush up towards where you see the sky. And the title of the book, Sky Color, has all the colors of the rainbow, starting with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And on the back here, I see a jar. It looks like water where you clean your brush, and it looks blue, but there's all these little blotches of paint that are all different colors. All right, Sky Color by Peter H. Reynolds. This beautiful blue cover here. Title page. This one's published by Candlewick Press. Marisol was an artist. She loved to draw and paint, and she even had her very own art gallery. So you can see here, her art gallery is on her fridge. Do any of you have any paintings that you've made on your fridge at home? She's made lots and lots and lots, and that's how you get to be a good artist, is by making a lot of artwork. Not all of her art hung in a gallery. Most of it she shared with the world. She painted posters to share ideas that she believed in. Here's a Save the Ocean. At school, Marisol was famous for her creative clothes, her box of art supplies, and her belief that everybody was an artist. Do you believe that? I do. I love that. She's giving a gift to somebody at school, and he looks surprised. Oh, and look, a get well card. That's really nice too. I think I might do that this afternoon. I might make a card. I'll use some paint to make a card to send to somebody I know. Yes, Marisol was an artist through and through. So when her teacher told the class they were going to paint a mural for the library, Marisol couldn't wait to begin. So here's her teacher. She's got a paintbrush she's flinging in the air, and all the kids have different colors, and they're ready to start their mural. Do you know what a mural is? It's a big, big work of art. Sometimes they fill up whole walls on a big, giant building. The classroom buzzed with the sound of brainstorming. The students talked and sketched. Together, they made a big drawing. So look how big their painting is, their mural. And they're all working together. Everybody has a part. Then they marched to the library. I'll paint the fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean. And Marisol shouted, I'll paint the sky. Everybody looks really happy. Marisol rummaged through the box of paints but could not find any blue. Here she is, looking. She's picking up each jar and looking, but she couldn't find blue. How am I going to paint the sky without any blue paint? Do you have any ideas? The bell rang. It was time to put their brushes down for the day. As she climbed aboard the bus, Marisol kept wondering. Here she is in the bus. What do you notice about this page here? All the way home, she stared out the window. What do you see out the window? What is she looking at? The sun lowered closer to the horizon. That's called dusk, right before nighttime. The sun is going down, that's sunset. Wow, Look at all those colors. There goes the bus. Later at home, Marisol watched the day turn into night. Beautiful. That night, Marisol settled into a deep dream. Here she is, deep dreaming. All of her paintings are all hung around her. She looks like she almost fell asleep while she was working on one. But look at the sky outside. In her dream, she drifted through the sky, swirling with colors. The colors mixed, making too many to count. In the morning, Marisol stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue, and she smiled. At school, Marisol raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one, she swirled the brush to make an altogether new color. All the kids look kind of perplexed. What's she doing? Marisol then began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" "That," Marisol said, "that is sky color." She seems very confident. And there's the mural. It's just like her dream, every color on the rainbow. Look at everybody looking. Wow. That is sky color. So, I hope you've enjoyed this story. I would love to see in the comments below what kind of stories you're reading at home, or if you have a request for us to read one. I also want you to stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make homemade paints at home. I know I don't have a lot of art supplies while I'm stuck at home, and I can't go to the art supply store right now, so stay tuned for the following recipe. All right,